Welcome to channel American Speakeasy.
14 most popular American slang expressions with ass. Like and subscribe to the channel. Badass. Someone who is tough, impressive or cool. Example. She's a badass in the world of competitive sports. Kick ass. To do something exceptionally well, or to defeat someone decisively. Examples. Their performance really kicked ass. Our team is going to kick ass in the finals tomorrow. Kick someone's ass. To physically beat someone up, or to defeat them soundly in a competition. Example. He threatened to kick his ass if he didn't leave. Lazy ass. Someone who is very lazy. Example. Get your lazy ass off the couch and do something productive. Smart ass. A person who is sarcastic or makes witty remarks, often annoyingly. Example. Stop being a smart ass and take this seriously. Pain in the ass. Something or someone that is very annoying or troublesome. Examples. Having to redo this report is a real pain in the ass. My old car was a real pain in the ass to maintain. Bust one's ass. To work very hard, or put in a lot of effort. Example. I've been busting my ass all week to meet this deadline. Cover one's ass. To take actions to protect oneself from blame or criticism. Example. Make sure to document everything to cover your ass. Badassery. The qualities or behaviors of someone who is badass. Example. Her actions were full of badassery and courage. Half-ass. To do something with minimal effort or care. Example. Don't half-ass your homework if you want good grades. Hard-ass. Someone who is strict or tough. Example. The coach is a real hard-ass when it comes to training. Dumbass. A person who is perceived as foolish or stupid. Example. Don't be a dumbass and follow the instructions. Jackass. Can be used in different contexts, depending on tone and intention. 1. Literal meaning. It refers to a male donkey. The farmer kept a jackass to help plow the fields. 2. Insult or teasing. To describe someone acting foolish, stubborn, or annoying. Stop being a jackass and listen to reason. 3. Humorous or playful use. Sometimes used jokingly among friends. In a lighthearted way. Stop acting like a jackass and listen to what I'm saying. Only a jackass like you would try to fit a sofa through a car door. Kiss my ass. It conveys a strong sense of disregard or contempt, essentially telling someone to leave me alone, or I don't care about your opinion. It's not meant to be taken literally. Example. If you think I'm going to apologize for something I didn't do, you can kiss my ass. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, turn on bell notifications.